I am taking orders through my D.
I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. Hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good. My lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is too. All the boys keep jocking, they chase me at the school. Mac, L'Oreal, yep, 'cause I'm worth it. Up the way I put it on so perfect. Wipe the corners of my mouth so
Hi guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you know of whenever I upload. Today's video is going to be another video in the Entrepreneur Life series. This is going to be episode 7 and it is part 2 of how to start your lip gloss business step by step. Now if you didn't watch part 1, go ahead and watch it. It's going to be linked down below in the description box, or you can click up here in the little iCard and watch it from there. I do suggest that you watch part 1 before watching this part 2 because it does have a lot of valuable information, and so that you are caught up to speed on every single step that I included in these videos. Before we jump right on into this video, I do want to let you guys know that I have my own business. It is Lash Bar, where I sell lashes and lip cosmetics. If you guys want to give me a follow, my Instagram handle is down below. My website is currently under renovation, so if you do happen to type in lashbar.com, it will not come up, but don't worry, it will be back up on January 30th. But if you do still want to end up purchasing something from me, I am taking orders through my DMs as of right now, so you can always DM me and ask me or send me what you want to order. And now let's jump right on into this part 2. Alright, so step 6 is website creation. While you're testing out your different products and formulas that you're going to be selling in your business, it's time to start creating your website. There are sites such as Wix.com, Shopify, GoDaddy, Big Cartel, and a bunch of other websites that you can create your own personal site from. So just compare all of them and then choose whichever one is best for you. I personally use Wix.com because I found it the most easiest and most efficient, and I just like how it looks overall. So I use Wix.com. If you guys want a tutorial on how to create a website using Wix, then just comment that down below also, and I'll do that for you guys. On your website, it is imperative that you include all necessary info on there, from such as how to buy your items, what products you're selling, your policies for shipping, returns, processing, contact info, all of that stuff that you would need to run a business and what you would want your customers to know. Literally, that freaking dog barking outside my window. Also, when you create a website, you should create an email for your business email. On Wix.com, they allow you to buy your email box when you buy your domain, which I'll get into in a second. But they do allow you to have your own personal email box. So mine, for example, my business is The Lash Bar. So my email box is info@thelashbar.com. Now, if you don't want to buy your email box, or that's not something that's high up on your list, you can always make like a Gmail account. So your email should be whatever your business name is, or whatever you want to make it, at gmail.com, if that's what you also want to do. And your business email should be strictly related just for business things. Your purchases that you make regarding your products, your shipping, anything that you need to purchase with your business should go through your business email. All of your contact information, if customers need to email you or message you at any time for any reason, everything related to your business and communications as far as it need to be in your business email, just because it keeps everything in one place and you're not using your personal email for that, and then your emails are getting lost because you have other things going on in your personal email. It keeps your business and personal life separate. You should also purchase your website domain so that you can, 1, of course, legally use it, and for 2, no one else can be able to use it. Like with Big Cartel and I think Shopify, they allow you to create a website, but at the end it'll say bigcartel.com or shopify.com. So if I were to create a website on one of those two sites, it would say thelashbar.shopify.com or something like that. Or if I was using Big Cartel, it would be thelashbar.bigcartel.com. I believe you can also do that with Wix, so it would be thelashbar.wix.com. But I ended up purchasing my domain, so I was able to use it without having that .wix.com or .shopify or whatever at the end, so it's just mywebsite.com. And once you purchase your domain, of course, you're the one who owns it. Your domain will be valid for a year or however long that website allows your domain to be valid for before you have to renew it. And no one else will be able to steal your website. Alright, so step 7 is all about shipping and the shipping process. So first you need to figure out where you're going to ship to. Is it going to be domestically or is it going to be internationally? Domestically, of course, is within just your country only. Internationally is worldwide, if you didn't know. And then after you figure out where you're going to ship to, you need to set up your shipping policies and rates. If you choose to use USPS.com, which of course is the postal service, they have all of that information online as far as shipping rates. They have the real-time shipping rates, which Wix.com also allows you to use, which is like a built-in feature for their shipping policies, so that you don't have to overcharge for shipping or you undercharge and then it starts coming out of your pocket, because you know that'll eventually add up. You can also choose to use other little shipping channels through your site, such as ShipStation.com. ShipStation.com connects directly to your website. Now, I did test out ShipStation for like the 30-month day trial, and I mean, it was okay, but the only issue that I had was that it was not picking up correctly on my website. So the orders that I was getting through my site were not pushing over to ShipStation so that I could create the labels, all of that shipping stuff. So I had to still manually do it myself. So right now I use PayPal to do all of my shipping stuff in. So step 8 is all about organization. It is very, very, very important to stay organized with your business as far as your orders go, your inventory, especially your inventory, because you don't want to have the wrong amount of inventory listed on your website and then you either sell out of products and you still have a lot left, or you oversell your products and now you need more items, but you have to wait till your shipment of orders come in to ship out the customer's orders. You should also keep track of everything you purchase with keeping the receipts. You can either collect and keep your receipts digitally, or you can do them just old-fashioned paper style. If you choose to do them with a paper or keep the paper receipt, all you have to do, of course, is put them in a folder. You can use an accordion folder or a regular folder, whatever you want to do. Now, this is optional. You can choose to keep track of how many orders you get and what is being ordered, so that you can see where your bestseller items are, what items aren't selling as much that you might want to discontinue, and everything of that nature. And then you should also have a place where you store all of your products, such as your shipping supplies. Basically everything for your business, you need to have a place to store it. I recommend getting a little storage drawer or like a bookshelf or something to keep all of your things in one place, so that everything is not all over your house and you're rushing to find stuff, so that you know you can see everything out in front and you can see, oh, when you're low on this or when you're low on that, and when you need to restock on other things as far as your business goes, so that you always have items in stock and shipping items in stock, so that your customers are not waiting for their products because of a shipment or inventory delay. Step 9 that I have is to begin making your lip gloss. You should be beginning to test out different formulas for your lip glosses, what oils and pigments and everything that you want to use in them to get you your perfect formula. I suggest that you start out with small batches and then gradually increase, so that you don't overproduce your products and have too much of something when you don't really need it. I will also suggest that you create between 1 to 5 lip gloss shades to start out with, to at least have some variety. You can do like maybe a clear lip gloss, a glitter gloss, a solid pink gloss, or a nude gloss. Whatever glosses you come up with, create between 1 to 5 so that your customers have at least a range to choose from. You can also choose to make your lip glosses to order. So what I mean by this is, if you were to create 1 to 2 glosses for you to sample out, and then you use those to take pictures and promote, and then you wait until your orders start rolling in to create more of those glosses, so that you're not wasting product. That is always a good idea. I know a lot of people do that to start out with, so that, of course, for one, they're not wasting product and they're not overproducing product and no one ends up buying it, or if you decide to stop your business altogether. Alright, so step 10 is our last and final step, and it is to launch your business. Now, as I said before, while you're creating your flyers to promote and everything, have a set launch date for your products so that your customers know when you're going to launch. Of course, once you do launch your items, you should be constantly promoting them on your social medias for people to see and purchase. You can also choose to do local drop-offs in your area if you like if you have a lot of customers that are local to you, you can say, hey, I do local drop-offs. You can choose to do a local drop-off fee or not. That's completely up to you. Now, once you launch, you may not start getting a lot of orders right away, and that's completely okay. You're a new business, you're getting out there, you need people to start knowing your products first. So just be patient. Success doesn't always happen overnight. So remember that when you're looking up to bigger companies and you're seeing them and you're saying, oh my gosh, well, they're getting 10 orders or 20 or 50 orders a day, and I'm getting 1 order or even 0 orders. It's completely fine, because they ended up starting at that same level as you are now. So be patient. And then, as I said before in the last video, always make sure to disclose what is being used in your products to account for those who have allergies, and to avoid a situation such as someone wanting to sue you or trying to get your business shut down or anything like that. Alright guys, so those are all of the tips I have on how to start your lip gloss business step by step. If you guys really liked and enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications because you don't want to miss another video of mine. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!